Phrases. Do you want to sound realistically eloquent, or ace any English-based examination in reading, writing, listening and speaking like the IELTS, the TOEFL, or the Cambridge examinations for students? We're here to offer you reliable and up-to-date phrases. Hi lovely friends, my name is Precious and today we will be looking into phrases. I will give detailed information on the phrases we have. A phrase is a word group or group of words that doesn't have a subject and a verb, or a noun and a verb, or a subject and a predicate together. In a further explanation, a phrase must either have a subject or a predicate and not the both. When a phrase is separated, the individual words do not convey the exact meaning as it would be when it is together functioning as a phrase. Types of phrase. There are basically 8 types of phrase. Number 1, a noun phrase. Number 2, a verb phrase. Number 3, adjective phrase or adjectival phrase, adverbial phrase, gerund phrase, infinitive phrase, prepositional phrase, and absolute phrase. That's the intro to phrases. Watch out for my next video where I'll be dropping informative phrases using the word time. Please subscribe in order to get updates on my next video. Bye!